craving something crispy and crunchy? Skip the drive-through French fries and make a healthy version at home. These tasty zucchini fries are a fun and healthy way to eat your veggies and satisfy your fry cravings. They are perfect as a side dish or as a snack. They are healthy, low-carb, gluten-free, easy to make, and totally delicious. Zucchini is low in calories and high in water and fiber, so it's great for weight loss. It's also rich in antioxidants and vitamins A and C. It's a super nutritious veggie that can make into a fry. How awesome is that? Keep watching this video to the end to find out how to make crispy zucchini fries. Serve 6. Every culture has its French fry. Well, Italy is no exception, so behold this delicious, decadent, and slightly addictive appetizer. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons sea salt, 1 1/4 cup soy, almond, or rice milk, canola oil for frying, 3 medium zucchini, trimmed and cut into 3x 1/2 inch strips, 1/2 cup Italian breadcrumbs. Directions: in a medium bowl, whisk flour, salt, and non-dairy milk. Fill a large non-stick skillet with about 1/4 inch of oil and heat over medium-high heat. Dip zucchini in the batter, then roll in breadcrumbs to coat. Fry on all sides until crisp and golden. Drain on paper towels and lightly season with more salt. Repeat with the remaining zucchini and serve immediately. I hope you enjoyed the simple instructions to make these Italian zucchini fries, so don't forget to give us a thumbs up, try this recipe at home, and let us know how you like it in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching.